Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to merge cell and wrap text in Excel. Okay, so if you are using Microsoft Excel and you want to merge cell and wrap text, this video will show you how to do it. Here you will see I have written a text in A2 cell. Okay, now what I have to do, I want to merge all cells from A to E2. Okay, here this is A2. I want to merge it from A. Okay, B, C, D, E. Okay, so how to do it? So what you have to do now, here you will see I have pasted and it is across and it is not readable. Okay, right now, so what you have to do, you have to just select all the cell from where which you want to merge. Okay, then what you have to do, here you will see merge and center option. Go to here and just click on merge across. Okay, then you will see it is not still readable. Okay, so what you have to do, again you have to just select the cell which you have merged and then go click on the wrap text. Okay, so what you have to do, just click on the wrap text. Okay, now you will see the whole text is not readable still, so you have to just expand the cell E2 height of the cell. Okay, so now you will see this is readable. Okay, now you have to, one thing you have to do, you have to just align to the middle. Okay, middle alignment. Okay, so like this you can merge cell and wrap text in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video. Thanks for watching.